Yeah, let's add an area light on the left side to get rid of these, very severe shadows. And so let's come over to the lights menu and choose area light again. And let's name this area left light. Okay, area left. And let me show you in general like what I'm thinking here. So I want this area light to be on the left side. Okay, and I'm going to pull it up a little bit. And I'm going to change all these parameters. I just want to show you what my thinking is. So here's where my area light's residing now. It's way too intense. Let's just first try reducing the intensity. Let me go to so click on the General tab. Let's reduce the intensity to 60, because I don't think, and that even might be too bright as well. Let's try 50. Let's do render to see where we're at. Okay, so what I think would solve a lot of problems here is if we rotate our area light towards the snowman. So with the area left light selected, choose the rotation tool and rotate the along the y-axis towards our snowman. And let me show you. With area light left selected, if I click on coordinates, these new parameters H, P, and B is heading, pitch, and bank. It's the rotation parameters, and you can see it's like almost like 75. We can just put that at 75 or 80, just to make it an even number. So let's do a render of the scene. Let's see. Okay, now that's working a lot nicer. Let's see if we get any other weirdness going on here. Everything is still too bright. The area light is creating like this weird line here. So like when I do render this, I'm going to move this area light way to the left, so that doesn't show up in my render, and everything is still too bright. So anyway, so let's click on, let me click there, click on area left light again, and let's go into coordinates, and let's change the X value to -750, and that's because I was playing around with this earlier and I kind of figured out that worked for me. The Y value, let's raise it up to 180, and the Z, I think we can leave Z at 0. I think Z is okay at 0. Now again, let me do a render of the scene, and we'll adjust the intensity and brightness, especially the target light that we put in the previous video. It looks really bright, and so we'll adjust that later as we go on, because we're going to add a sky object and all kind of stuff. But for right now, we're in good shape. We got a light filling up the back. We got a fill light on the left, and we got a target light illuminating our main character here. And so this is a good place to start. Your lights will be a little bit different. You'll adjust them, you'll move them, but we'll deal with that towards the end of this project.